Yeah, my people, I thank everybody for coming to Agbanke Ewe channel. If today is your first time, my name is Adam, and today's topic is directly going to our women, okay, our beautiful women, African women. Okay, we want them to go back to natural system. Yeah, the point I want to make is just basically about how you can live your life naturally without any synthetic lifestyle. Okay, excuse me to say, probably my word may be offensive little because of many of our women who are involved in the field that I want to talk about today. It's basically about our women hairstyle. Okay, the stylish of the hairstyle they are making, relating to weave on, relating to wigs, relating to rasta with other hairs from India, from Brazilian hair, to name them. Yeah, I want to talk about it basically because I want the safety of our women. They should go back to natural system. If you are making a natural hairstyle, I think it's more appropriate and it's more healthy for your own sake. I am not one who fancy hairstyle like weave on and all those stuff, because knowing well of the side effects relating to the chemicals used for the perming, for the chemicals and the cost involved in doing all those things. Well, I'm speaking to my younger sisters who are coming up, those who are mature and already into it. I would advise you to check on the side effects of the weave on, the chemicals used for it. Yeah, Dr. Mumbi Show made a video relating to the side effect of those things, and I'll try and see if I can put the link under this video. Okay, now the method in which our forefathers and mothers were living their life without chemical lifestyle made them live longer and live healthy life. That's what I'm calling you to do. Okay, you can do your hairstyle, but I'm saying that the side effect is something else. Now let's go to the other point of view, which is slavery mentality. If you are a black woman with a short hair, or probably with a natural hair, and you think you don't like that your hairstyle, I think you are telling Mother Nature that you are not being created in a good image. That is first. Second, you are telling Mother Nature that you prefer to look like a white woman with a long hair, okay, compared to what you have. Okay, and from our point of view as black women and black men, I don't know how many men have been looking for women with long hair. Okay, fine, it looks beautiful on you, but the point I'm driving at here is that back in Europe, back in Asia, where women and both men have the long hair, they still see each other and marry. Procreation continue. They never ask for short hair to go on with. So the day you will see maybe an Asian looking for my hairstyle, or maybe a British, or maybe I'm an American looking for black women hairstyle, that is when our women should also begin to lure themselves into what they are already doing. Now, what I want you to do as a woman is take your phone. I know many people, if you can make a weave on, you can make a wig on your head, probably you should have an access to an Android phone. Go and check on the side effect of the hairstyle that you are doing, the chemical used for the hairstyle. Now, as I'm saying, do our men, women, actually look at a hairstyle to marry? No. Do we look out for maybe hairstyle before we propose? No. We look at the inner beauty of the individual. Even though outside, if a man looks at the only outside and marry you, probably the inner will disappoint. Okay, so let's put that one aside. The second point that I want to raise is the bleaching aspect. Okay, the bleaching aspect, the chemical used for the bleaching, people are making stay natural, stay like go natural way. Okay, if you want to go even bleaching, there are safety method that you can use. So if you get those method, safety like natural method of bleaching your skin, well, I think I wouldn't be complaining over here. But from the point that I'm complaining means that I care about you that is watching me. I care about our women, the black beauty. Black is beautiful. I made a video relating to the caricature of children black caricature and white caricature, right? And the children were picking the white caricature because that is the baby info we have in our this in the doll you see in the market. Okay, those toys that you see in the market is in the image of the white man and the white woman. Therefore, our children are being taught that white is better than black. In other words, when you go to the market, you don't see any black toy, which is going to some of our leaders. They need to manufacture those things to take out that brainwash, because the children we were being taught that white is better than black from childhood. Okay, so if you are bleaching yourself, like my skin, which is natural, like your skin that is natural, you don't need to touch it. If I'm fair naturally, yeah, I'm fair naturally. Okay, if let's assume that I want to polish what I have, so shall it be. But when you are already black and you're still going far, miles away to make yourself fair, just to look like the white man, then I think what we are talking about, the hair and the bleaching, is 100% brainwashed and 100% slavery act. It means your mental cycle has been captured that only white that is better. No, white is not better than black. We run in daylight and we run in night light because we need the night to rest. We need dryness to take the sweetness of rain. Okay, we need a wetland to take the sweetness of the dry land. The desert must exist so that people fly all the way from Europe to come and fill the Dubai desert. Why is it so? Because that is balance of life. You are not supposed to deny yourself your color. In other words, no matter how dark you are, no matter how your complexion is, you will still find a man. What matters is pure lifestyle. What matters is pure lifestyle, which I want our women, our black women, to take note of. Now, I will go to the next level where our women are going all the way to inject their boobs and inject their bottoms, just to, to make it more pumpy up for men to approach. Well, if you do that for responsible man, you may end up losing the man, because at the end of the day, you will have the side effect and the man will not sustain such art. We men, we love natural. To be frank, we love natural. There is no man that will tell you that I love the fake, I love the synthetic. No. No matter how the publishers is, no matter how it is now, don't forget that when you inject the chemical injected in you, the silicone and whatever it is they insert in you, the part of your body that has been used to boost your backs or boobs, no matter how it is, it will not last forever compared to the natural system. That's what I'm advising you for. Okay, if you do it and the man marries you, at the end of the day, the man will still leave you aside. I'm telling you, it's a fact. And this goes to our African women. Don't go and inject yourself just because you want to please men, except you are into some different business that I could not talk about here on my platform. Now, the other stuff is your basic makeups. Yeah, it's good for you to make makeup. Somebody's been sued. A white man sued their wife for using makeup. Okay, after the makeup for years, if you are not aware, go to Google, check which white man actually sued their wife because of makeup. The woman was 24/7 on makeup until the man married the man. I think the next morning, only for the man to wake up and see some scary face on the bed. Like it's totally camouflage that you put across. In other words, you, the woman, you deny yourself an identity which nature gives you. You can polish a little bit, but to the point of packing all colors on your face, like I used to say, we've got some Pan-African women who are also preaching the good news, but yet they are also into it because they think that for me to come to the set, I need to polish my face. There is no polish on my face. Only my coconut oil that I use on my face. We are done. Okay? Agbena. Mewovo. That's what we're talking about. Okay? Our safety, our health is priority. Okay? Now, I wouldn't talk too much because I want my video to be very short. If you're a woman and you're watching me, share this video. First of all, subscribe and share this video with friends. Leave comment below. Yeah? This advice goes to my young ones who are coming up. It's very, very, very important that you take care of your skin, your hairstyle, appreciate what you have. Our women must appreciate what they have. And we, the men, we never deny you. Never. have we denied our women because of lack of long hair, lack of skin color, or maybe complexion, makeup on the face? No. Men don't eat hair. Men don't eat what do I call it? A skin. Men don't eat, what do I call it? Long nails, like package or the makeup on the face. Men don't cry for those things. It's just simple and short. I wouldn't talk too much. Please, as I said earlier on, subscribe and share. And let's see how best we can improve in our life. Our unity really matters. Okay? See you some other time.